Poppy. Hello. You smile at Mommy? Yeah. Hello, Daniel. Are you talking to me? Yeah. You should smile. You got good dimples. Yes, you do. You're gonna knock those girls out someday. Yeah. Hello. Can you say hello? Do you have any coos in there? Just smiles for Mommy, huh? Lots and lots of smiles. Can you smile again, Poppy? Smile again. Can you say hi, Mommy? Hi, Mommy. Is that all? You got another one? You got another one in there? No more smiles? No. Say boop. Hi. What do you have to say? What do you have to say? Hello. You're a good smiling boy. Yeah. Hi, Daniel. I'm your mommy. Yeah. Hi. Mariela's here too. She's in the other room. Yeah. You happy today, huh? Yeah. Kick. Are you kick? Kick. You hungry? Are you ready for a snack? Yeah. Yes, you are. You want a snack? Yeah. Ooh, all smiles, little boy. You say bye-bye.